Hey guys, today you guys have some things you need to get done because we have a test coming up at the end of next week. You should be getting your study guide handed out to you today with a list of things that you need to be able to do in order to do well in the assessment. So again, all those things are like objectives. You've got to be able to identify what are the four groups of macromolecules. You need to be able to identify the different examples that we talked about the other day in class when we made that chart, that graph. Be able to explain what they do and what their structure is, what they're made of. And so again, read through that carefully, and then what you guys are going to do, you're going to create flashcards. You can take a blank sheet of paper. I've got some computer paper over here underneath my computer table on top of the printer. If you fold it, I think in half 3 times and unfold it, it makes sections like 8 sections. You can cut them up and create flashcards. So look at the study guide and put review questions on one side and the answer on the other. And so you're going to create some, and I'll check those next time to see how you did. We'll talk about some of the review questions you made. Because again, one thing that students have to be able to do is develop good studying habits and strategies to help them remember things. Because in the world of science, like I said over and over, it's like learning a new language. Once you get that completed, you guys are going to grab a Chromebook, but you're not going to be able to until you get that completed. Grab a Chromebook, and once you get signed in the bottom left, you guys have a little set of boxes, kind of like I have here. Mine's colored because I'm on a Windows computer, but on your Chromebook, they look like little gray squares. You guys need to click on that and then go to the Chrome store. It looks like this icon right here. You click on that, and it should take you to the web store where you can type in and search for an app. There's a certain app I want you guys to search for. It's called Biology Pop. So click in, go to the search queue right up here, click on that. Biology Pop. Click on that, and you're going to download it. I've already got it downloaded. Once you get it downloaded, it's going to be it's a engine that compiles all sorts of science and biology related current articles. Everything from, you can see the categories: cell biology, genetics, anatomy, biotechnology, which is a big emerging field right now, ecology, evolution, systematics, and taxonomy, like naming and identifying organisms and animals. If you're interested in animal science, I mean, again, you got to understand how to identify them. Community relations, of course, over here is just a little bit more website specific stuff. But again, I want you guys to choose any article that you find interesting to you. Like I said, you can sort it based off topic or category. It kind of gives you a good definition of what is biotechnology, and here are all the different articles that relate to biotechnology. All right. So once you choose an article, and you're going to fill out that science in the news. Now, if and I want you guys to put the title of the article that you chose. It tells you to staple it to it. You're not going to be able to print this off. So just write out the article's name, and then of course give me a summary about what it was, and then fill out that sheet, because the purpose is to expose you to some current science that's really going on out there. How are we using some of these biological concepts in everyday life and everyday research that's having an impact on our society? So again, 2 objectives. Number 1, look at your study guide, create review questions on flashcards based off the study guide. All right, so for every line on the study guide, try to create a question and with an answer on the back side of it. Once you have that done, Ms. Kyle or Sub will check off, and you can get a Chromebook out, and I want you to download this Biology Pop app. All right, and it'll be in your Chrome setting here, and the icon looks like this right here, Biology Pop. Click on it, open it, find a category that's interesting to you, or just go from the home page, and it has them all just listed here. They're not separated out. Find one that's interesting to you, read about it, learn something, all right, and then share about it using that Science in the News handout that should be given to you. Guys, hope you have a great day. Be mindful, be respectful, do what's right, and be awesome. Talk to you guys later.